dinosaurs today. Oh my gosh, this must be it. This must be yoga adventures for kids in Dinosaur Land. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, a dinosaur. Can you see it? Wow. All right, you know what time it is? It's yoga adventures for kids time. So I'm so happy to see you here today with me. Let's get together, grab a toy or grab your good friend. Get ready. We're going to smile and stretch. We're going to do some amazing yoga today to feel happy and flexible here in this incredible world that we're in Dinosaur Land. Hi there, little dinosaur. My goodness. Isn't it cute? Are you going to do some yoga with us? All right, I think it's time to start. Let's get started. All right, everybody, let's just warm up. Let's warm up our shoulders. Here in Dinosaur Land, you might hear a growl from somewhere, or you might see a little dinosaur. Don't be worried, they're all friendly, they're all wonderful. They're all just gonna do our workout together. So let's do our shoulders up and down, roll it like this, roll it like this. Move our hands, bend our knees, up and around, up and around, up and around. Good job, good job. T-Rex, oh my goodness. Don't eat me. All right, are you here to do yoga? All right, well then let's do it together. All right, T-Rex, I'm gonna lift up my leg. I'll stretch out my arm. Pat you on the head. Let's do our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch on to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, what shall we do next? I know, I like to do this stretch side to side, arms up wide, make another circle, one more circle with me, and down to your toes, stretch like that, and hold this pose. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and around. All right, now I'm going to face forward, just like this. Do my lunge. Stretch my leg out nice and straight in the back. Bend this knee forward. Oh, there's a dinosaur on my knee. All right, I got frightened right there. That's all right. It's going to help me with my pose. All right, I'm going to stretch my arms all the way up, just like this. It's all right, little dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake out those arms, face forward. Bring your arms nice and straight. Just enjoy this pose for a minute right here. Oh, my goodness. So much happening in dinosaur world today. All right, rotate to the other side. Bend your leg. Extend the one behind nice and straight. Keep the one in front of you bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift it up. Lift your hands up. Let's do our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, wonderful. I love this. Let's come down on the floor and do some more stretches together. All right, sitting cross-legged, just like this. Lift your hands up to the sky. Wave at the dinosaurs passing by. Do a wave. Hello, dinosaurs. Do a wave. Connect your arms together. And we're going to do this as a longer stretch. We're going to count to 20. Nice and up. Take a deep breath. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work, everybody. Roll your head side to side, side to side, side to side. All right. Take your lift up one knee and cross it over the other one in this beautiful stretch where it's like we have a hill. One of our legs becomes a hill. We're gonna cross our elbow over the hill and just look towards our other shoulder. So and straighten your arm too. Lift up your spine nice and straight. Do this pose to the best of your abilities and have a look there. Oh my gosh, there's another dinosaur friend. Do you know which kind of dinosaur this is? Alright, don't worry, they're all friendly here, so we can just smile and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Now, let's switch to the other side. Put one knee down. Get the other foot to cross over the knee while in a triangle, like this. Your elbow goes behind that knee. And one hand on the floor. You just look at the shoulder, the opposite shoulder. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very well done. Good job with your yoga. You're doing such a good thing for your body. Stretching, getting flexible. This is really wonderful for a nice, healthy body. All right. Lovely. Now I'm going to ask you just to lie down on your back. We're going to raise our feet nice and straight, and we're going to wiggle our toes up into the air and draw our name with our toes up in the sky, and that's another good stretch for you. So lie down just like this. You can grab your knees like I do and just rock down onto the floor. All right. Stretch your toes nice and pointy just like that. Wiggle your toes. Have a good wiggle, just like this. Lovely. All right. So what are we going to do from here? So first we're just going to bring our hands up our legs and just try to stretch upwards, trying to reach our ankles just like this. Getting our upper back off the floor. So have a go. And then lower yourself back down to the ground. We're going to do 3 of these, so get ready. We are going to do our next one. Go up towards my ankles. And then come down. And up towards my ankles. Oh! Who's that on my toes? Oh my goodness! There's a little dinosaur on my toes. Lower yourself gently back down to the ground. Very well done. All right, bend your knees. Bend your knees down like this. Now we're just going to lift one leg up in the air and have the other knee bent. We're just going to draw a few circles. Let's say we're going to draw 5 circles around. 1, 2, 3, job. Rock back up, just like so. We're going to do a fun pose. It's a little bit tricky. We're going to lift one leg up, bend at the knee, but straight, horizontal, parallel with the floor, and lift up the other knee as well. We're holding our hands under our knees. We have our back nice and straight. We're just having our legs between our toes and our knees. It's just like a tabletop, just like that. And imagine that you're holding something up on your knees like this. Okay, so straighten your arms and now straighten your legs as well. You can grab a bit higher behind the knee. And this is like our boat pose from before, but we're in the jungle. We're not a boat, we're just having a good stretch in this triangle pose. It's challenging. Do it for as long as you can. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, well done. Facing forward. Bring your arms in a circle. That was a lovely, lovely stretch. Great job. All right, keep one hand on the floor. Stretch over to the side just like this. And come on to the other side just like so. Alright, now we're going to get up again, so let's stand up. Raising our hands up, doing another circle. Oh my goodness, I've never been in a dinosaur land, have you? I bet that if I was in dinosaur land right now, there might be some dinosaurs that might give me a good run, don't you think? So let's pretend that you have a dinosaur. Which dinosaur do you like? I'm thinking that the one that would give me the biggest run might be the T-Rex. So, there's a T-Rex. I better have a good run, right? So run in one place, have a go, have a run. Run for a minute, warm yourself up because we're going to have to race away from the T-Rex. Up and down, up and down. Run, 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 run away. Run away, run away. Run away, run away. Run away, run away. Stop. All right. This has been a really good yoga. We're just going to do one more pose and then we're going to call it a day in our dinosaur land. So let's do our final pose together. All right. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. All right. So we're going to bring our hands up, stretch to the side. Onto the other side. Oh, wonderful. All right, thank you so much for coming today and joining me for our Dinosaur Land Adventure. It's been wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you soon again. Come along to smile and stretch and build your body. You'll be super flexible at Yoga Adventures for Kids. See you on the next one. Bye.